Okay, welcome back. This is part two of Eco 501, week 8 for section 2. Acha, what we are going to do now, we're going to introduce game theory and we're going to introduce the two concepts. How equilibrium is established in a game, which we will call the Nash equilibrium after Graham Nash. Oh, sorry, John Nash. Graham Nash, the singer. And then we'll look at a concept called the prisoner's dilemma. This concept we will be using because we will be talking about collusion and cartels, and then we will show why cartels are unstable over time. Acha, before we start, how do we define a game? How do we define a game? Can somebody tell from the top of their head what is a game? Can somebody tell from the top of their heads what is a game?
A challenge between two people.
A challenge. Challenge means conflict, right?
Conflict, yeah.
Okay. Can't a game also be of cooperation?
If you are in the same team.
Okay, let me give you a classic example. একটা game খেলা হচ্ছে, there's conflict and also cooperation. Argentina and Brazil are playing each other. Is this a game of cooperation or conflict?
Conflict.
Conflict. You cannot expect that Argentina and Brazil will collude.
Yes.
Because, okay, Gallo. But within Argentina or within Brazil, whichever team you support, the 11 players, they have to cooperate now?
Yes, sir.
So game is basically an interaction between at least two people or two decision makers. This interaction could be an interaction of conflict. This interaction could be an interaction of cooperation. So game is just an interaction between two decision makers. The decision makers we will name as players. Acha. Each decision maker has some actions which it can use. For example, if I'm using the pawn cannot go more than one square in front. This is the maximum thing I can do. If I'm using the knight has a special sequence, 2.5 squares. Okay, so each player has some actions. Now, we said that the decisions are equal hobe. If there's equal, you tell me, huh? Next hoche interdependent key. If A decides to take one road, what do I do? What do I do? I have a set of responses based on what the other person is doing. Once I have a set of responses, won't I weigh them? আমার যদি হাতে তিনটা রেসপন্স থাকে, what will I do? Suppose এখানে কাকে দেখা যাচ্ছে, Ashmita is going to wear white shari. ঠিক আছে, I have to choose my color. So আমার সামনে তিনটা কালার আছে, ঠিক আছে? So what do I do? আমি তখন চিন্তা করব না সাদার সাথে এই কালারটা কেমন যাবে, সাদার সাথে এই কালারটা কেমন যাবে, সাদার সাথে এই কালারটা কেমন যাবে. And if I have a ranking, then what will I do? Won't I choose my best response to what Ashmita is doing? Okay, let me say it again.
Sir.
Ashmita decides to do something. I know that Ashmita will do this.
But one decision will be dependent on another decision.
Yes, but the response that I have, given what you're doing, I may not have one response. I may have a set of responses. If I have a set of responses, the common thing to do is I will weigh them. A response I get 10 units, A response I get 12. A response I get 15. So what do? I choose the best response from my set given the choice that you're doing. I mean, the best response to choose korbo na, won't I choose the best response?
Yes, sir.
This is interdependent decision making. At the same time, I decide to do something. Based on what I do, you have, say, two responses. You will definitely weigh between them. That this response gives 10 units, this response gets 12 units. So if you are a sensible person, you will definitely choose the one that is the best response in your set. এখন তাহলে আমরা আচ্ছা, before we start, if you have any problem regarding anything that I'm going to say now, stop me, I will repeat myself. These first thing is, game theory is nothing but a branch of applied mathematics that discusses interdependent decision making. This interdependent decision making, like we said, would be that the two players will jointly make a decision. The two players can be in conflict. When we say that the players are in conflict, they make decisions on their own. This is known as non-cooperative game. When the two players jointly decide to do something, we call it cooperative games. What is a solution? When no decision maker has an incentive to change their decision, given what the others have decided to do. I'm going to repeat myself. This is an important concept. When no decision maker has decided to change their decision, given what others are doing. আমরা সবাই যদি এভাবে চিন্তা করি, has the system reached an equilibrium? Given what I'm doing, you're doing the best you can. Will you want to change your decision? Given what I am doing, you know what I'm doing. You've chosen your best response. Will you want to change your decision?
No, sir. No, sir.
The reverse will also have to be true. Given what you're doing, I am choosing my best response. Both are the same at this, both are true at the same time. তাহলে I will not want to change my decision given what you're doing. You will not want to change your decision given what I'm doing. Does that make sense? Do we visually, can you think like that?
Yes,
Given
sir.
what you're doing, I'm doing my best. I don't want to change. The reverse is true at the same time. This is called mutual best response. Given what I'm doing, you are also doing the best you can. Will you want to change your decision?
No, sir.
In that case, we have a Nash equilibrium. See, it's very simple. Once we get to the example, players are nothing but decision makers. There's two different decision makers. You need at least two people to play a game. So we call them A and B. Actions is, given what you're doing, what is my response? I can take action 1, I can take action 2, I can take action 3. So if I have more than one action in response to what you're doing, I will definitely try to choose the best response. Does that make sense? Will I try to choose the best response given what you're doing? If I have more than one option as a response? Does that make sense? কি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন না কেউ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lovely. And equilibrium, আমরা একটু আগেই আমরা agreed হয়েছি that if I'm doing the best I can, given what you're doing, I don't want to change. The reverse is true, and it's true at the same time. That's why we're saying it's a mutual best response. You are also doing the best you can, given what I'm doing. Then neither of us have an incentive to change. That means the system has come to a static position, which is an equilibrium. আচ্ছা, এখন prisoner's dilemma টা কি? The game can be played in conflict. The game can be played in cooperation. জিনিসটা আবার বলি, the game can be played in conflict, where we decide on our own. The game can also be played in cooperation, where both of us decide together. But cooperation will be unstable. This is the dilemma. We both know that cooperation is better for both of us. But self-interest, i.e. my personal interest, overpowers group interest. We both know that cooperation is better for both of us, but self-interest overpowers group interest. That's why cooperation will not succeed. Okay, এখন আমরা এটা দেখি। এই যে this is the Nash equilibrium. Look at statement 1. I am doing the best I can, assuming you are doing the best you can. This is the way I'm thinking. How are you thinking? You are doing the best you can, assuming I am doing the best I can. We're just making two verbal statements. We haven't used any kind of mathematics, any kind of notations, okay? When we use the word assuming, can we associate a probability with this word? When we are using the word assuming, can we associate the probability with this word?
50-50, sir.
না 50-50
Yes,
নাও হতে পারে, মানে assuming মানে কি, দেখো I know that I'm doing the best I can, এটা কি একটা what is the probability? 100% না? I know that I'm doing the best I can, ঠিক আছে, given
এটা
what
100%।
এটা 100% না, but given what you're doing option A, option B, option C. How do I know that option A is the best for you at the same time? তখন আমাকে assume করে নিতে হবে না? Given what you're doing, I am definitely doing the best I can. But is the reverse true? That given what I'm doing, are you doing the best you can? If that is not true, you will have an incentive to change your decision. Does that make sense? আচ্ছা, আবার try করি, হ্যাঁ? If you don't understand, tell me. It's a very simple logic, but once you get it, I am doing the best I can, whatever you're doing. Will I have an incentive to change my decision?
No,
I
sir.
am doing the best I can, whatever you're doing. Will I have an incentive to change the decision?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second part of the statement, you are not doing the best you can, given what I'm doing. তাহলে কি হবে? Will you have an incentive to change the decision?
হ্যাঁ, তখন ইনসেন্টিভ হবে চেঞ্জ
Great.
করার ডিসিশন।
তার মানে it's not an equilibrium. আমি জানি I'm doing the best I can, whatever you're doing. আমি তো definitely চাবো না আমার decision change করতে. But the second part of the statement, where I said assuming you are doing the best you can, if this is not true, you will definitely have an incentive to change your decision, given what I'm doing. If that is the case, equilibrium হবে।
যখন both party
হ্যাঁ, I'm coming to that.
কিভাবে efficiency দিচ্ছে।
Wait. Don't jump. Some people might not be able to get the logic that quickly. আচ্ছা, এখন let's think from your point of view. You are doing the best you can, whatever I'm doing. Will you have an incentive to change your decision? Whatever I'm doing, you're doing the best you can. This is true. Will you have an incentive to change your decision?
No, sir.
আচ্ছা, second partটা যদি সত্যি না হয়, I'm not doing the best I can, I will have an incentive to change my decision, right?
Yes, sir.
In that case, equilibrium হবে?
No, sir.
Second case হবে না।
Correct. এখন let's এটা দেখি। এখন আমরা এটা দেখি, হ্যাঁ? So when we use the word assuming, we are assuming two probabilities. Either it is true, probability is 100%, or it is not true, probability is 0%. আমরা মাঝখানে কিছু দেখছি না। If something is true, the probability value has to be 100%. If something is not true, probability value can only be 0%. এর বাইরে আর কিছু হতে পারে না, তাই না?
জি স্যার।
মানে 100% প্রবাবিলিটি হবে অথবা নাল হয়ে যাবে।
Null is a different thing.
ওকে,
Now don't use the word null. Null is a different thing. The thing is, probability দুইটা extreme মান আছে. Certain event means it's a true event, probability must be 100%. Impossible event is a event that is not true, probability must be 0. আচ্ছা, এখন দেখি, এই যে আমি এখন যেটা দেখতেছিলাম, statement এটা আমরা আবার পড়ি, হ্যাঁ? If the second part of this statement is true, what will happen? Will any one of us have an incentive to change our decision?
No, sir.
Great. If the second part of this decision is not true, then you will have an incentive to change your decision, right?
Yes.
এখন think about from the other opposite action. I'm doing the best I can given what you are doing. Both statements are right. The reverse is also true. You are doing the best you can given what I'm doing, and I am also doing the best I can. তাহলে আমরা কি কেউ কি এটা চেঞ্জ করার চেষ্টা করব? Will any one of us want to change our decision?
No, sir.
That is equilibrium. এখন আমরা দেখি এটা এই পর্যন্ত যেহেতু you guys have understood, anybody can do it now. আচ্ছা, we have two producers A and B. Oh, এটা down arrow হবে, ছি I'll change it. আচ্ছা, A হচ্ছে row player, row 1, row 2. B হচ্ছে column player, B1, B2. ঠিক আছে? So both of them have two actions. Either they can choose high price for the row player, that is R1, for the column player, that is C1. Or they can choose a low price, which is a competitive price for the row player, that is row 2, for the column player, that is column 2. এটা বুঝতে কারো অসুবিধা হচ্ছে? Any problem with this? There's two decision makers. Since we are plotting it in a box, we are looking plotting it as a matrix. So the row player দুইটা আছে, row 1 and row 2. Column player হচ্ছে column 1, column 2. Row player has two options, high price, low price, row 1, row 2. Column player also has two options, high price, low price, column 1, column 2. এটা ঠিক আছে? Everybody
Yes, sir.
understand this? Okay, good. Now, what is a payoff? A payoff is the value that each player will get if a game ends in a particular cell. How many cells are there? There's one cell here, cell number 1, another cell here, cell number 2, another cell here, cell number 3, another cell here, cell number 4. So if the game ends here, okay, what will happen? Player 1 will get $2 million profit, player 2 will get a $2 million profit. If the game ends here, what happens? Player 1 will get 4 million, player 2 will get -1 million. Similarly, here, player 1 gets -1, player 2 gets 4. And if the game ends here, which will be the equilibrium as we will see, player 1 will get 0 profit, player 2 will get 0 profit. Can you guys understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lovely. So I'll move to the next one. Oh,
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
বুঝিনি
Oh, which part did you not understand?
স্যার এই মাইনাসের পার্ট
Oh, acha. Minus is just the profit. If a profit is -1, it's that if we lock the game over here in this cell, player number 1 will get -1 মানে হচ্ছে he makes a loss of $1 million, okay? And player 2 gets a profit of $4 million.
স্যার কেন
কেন আমি পরে বলতেছি, মানে এটা বোঝা গেছে? -1 and 4m, these are just numbers. Payoffs that we are going to get if the game ends here. Player 1 will get a loss of 1 million, player 2 will get a profit of 4 million. Have you understood just this much? Similarly, if the game ends in this cell, each player will get $2 million profit. If the game ends in this cell, player 1 gets 4 million, player 2 gets 1 million loss. এটুকু পর্যন্ত বোঝা গেছে? কেন হচ্ছে আমি একটু পরে বলবো. Do you understand this much at least?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if we lock
স্যার
the-
এখানে 4 আর -1 টা মানে কি আপনি অ্যাজিউম করে ধরছেন নাকি এটা কোনো ক্যালকুলেশন করে বলতেছেন?
No, it's just assume.
আচ্ছা
ক্যালকুলেশন আছে একটা, আমি এরপরে বলতেছি, হ্যাঁ? আচ্ছা, did we remember the Kuno example? There's two producers of natural spring water. The source is the same.
Yes, sir.
and these are identical in the eyes of the consumer. আচ্ছা আমাকে কে জিজ্ঞেস করছিল কেন এটা -1 হচ্ছে আর এটা কেন 4 হচ্ছে? Who asked me this question? One person was asking. ওই যে বুঝতেছিল
sir.
না?
Yes, sir, আমি, sir.
What's your name?
Sir, submit.
Submit. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, lovely. আচ্ছা, suppose player A charges a high price. What will player B do? Will he charge a high price or a low price? If he charges a low price, he knows very well, since that item is identical in the eyes of the consumer, both A and B are equally efficient. মানুষ কি করবে? সব বির কাছ থেকে কিনবে না? Won't people all
Yes,
buy
sir.
from now do you understand why this is -1, why this is 4M?
মানে স্যার একজন দাম বাড়ায় দিলে একজন কমে দিবে।
একজনটা কে? একজন হচ্ছে player 1, row player 1, হ্যাঁ, সে হাই প্রাইস চার্জ করছে, the column player has charged a low price. Since the item is identical in the eyes of the consumers, if you see that one person is charging lower, what will you do? ওই same mineral water ওই যে low price charge করছে তার কাছ থেকে won't you charge from that person? Won't you buy from that person?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen? Player 1 will lose his, make a loss. Player 2 will make a serious profit. The reverse is true over here. If player 2 charges a high price and player 1 charges a low price, player 1 will make all the profit. Player 2 will lose everything, right? Ever clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
আচ্ছা,
Yes, sir.
দুইজনই যদি মলে যায় আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আমরা হাই প্রাইস চার্জ করব, then both of them what will happen? The buyers have no alternative. There's only 2 suppliers and they have to go for drinking water. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে কি দুইজনই কি প্রফিট করবে না সবচেয়ে বেশি?
Yes.
আচ্ছা, দুইজনই যদি প্রাইস ওয়ারে লেগে যায় যে ও আমিও কমাবো আমার প্রাইস, ও তার প্রাইস কমাবে, তাহলে কি হবে? দুইজনেরই ক্ষতি হবে না?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, তাহলে এখন আমরা যেটা দেখব যে
স্যার,
হ্যাঁ
স্যার লো প্রাইস যদি দুইজনই লো প্রাইস করে তাহলে তো স্যার কনজিউমার বেশি ক্রয় করবে না?
আচ্ছা, I'll come to that later, huh? Just for at the moment you think like this, okay? এটা 0-0 হচ্ছে, দুইজনই যদি লো প্রাইস করে কনজিউমারের লাভ হবে ঠিকই, বাট প্রোডিউসারদের ক্ষতি না সবচেয়ে?
মানে প্রফিটেবিলিটি ওয়াইজ
মানে if both of us start a price war, what happens? The consumers are happy, but sellers এর জন্য কি প্রফিটটা কমে যাবে না?
Yes, sir.
yes
So that's why it's 0-0. This is just common sense. If this was a stable price mechanism, both of them can charge a high price, definitely both of them will profit. If both of them are charging a low price, if this is stable, then both of them will lose out. এই দুইটা কোনোদিন স্টেবল হবে না, একজন হাই প্রাইস
Sir,
একজন লো
আপনি
প্রাইস।
বলতে পারি?
হ্যাঁ, ক্যারি অন।
স্যার, যখনই এখানে দুইটা পার্টি সেম অ্যাকশনে যাচ্ছে তখন তাদের সিচুয়েশন সেম হচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ।
আবার যখনই তারা ভিন্ন ভিন্ন অ্যাকশনে যাচ্ছে তাদের অবস্থানটাও ভিন্ন ভিন্ন হচ্ছে।
কেন হচ্ছে? ক্যান ইউ থিংক ওয়াই?
কারণ স্যার একজন যখন প্রাইস হাই করতেছে আরেকজন প্রাইস লো করতেছে,
হ্যাঁ।
লো প্রাইসে তো সেল বেশি হচ্ছে, তার
হুম।
প্রফিট বেশি হচ্ছে।
Correct.
আবার হাই প্রাইস যার ছিল সে ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হচ্ছে।
Correct.
একইভাবে সাইমultaneously সেকেন্ড পার্টির ক্ষেত্রেও একই অবস্থা দাঁড়াচ্ছে। আবার
Correct.
যখনই দুইজনই একই প্রাইস পয়েন্টে দাঁড়াচ্ছে, হাই প্রাইস ইকুয়াল টু হাই প্রাইস,
হুম।
তখন প্রফিট অ্যামাউন্ট একই থাকছে। আবার
Right.
যখন লো প্রাইস কম্পিটিটিভ সিচুয়েশনে আসছে তখন সিচুয়েশনটা ইকুয়ালি আসছে।
কারেক্ট। এখন ঘটনা হচ্ছে, what does your common sense say? Will this be a stable price mechanism? When if you are producer 1, if you see that he's making a profit, what will you do? He's making a profit because he's charging low. So তুমিও low price charge করবে না?
জি স্যার, অবশ্যই
Yes, sir.
মার্কেট
So
কম্পিটিশনে একই কাজ করা হবে।
this outcome cannot be stable. Acha, what about this one? If you are
this one
producer,
also
if you are producer 2, what you will think that কি ব্যাপার, ও এত টাকা পাচ্ছে কেন? Because he's charged a low price. Okay, then I'll charge a low price. But if both of you are charging a low price, neither of you can make a profit. Consumer is very happy because they're getting something at a low price, but we are not looking at the consumer. We're looking at the game from a seller's point of view. ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, এখন আমরা দেখি, but I'm coming to it. Sell 1, both of them charge high price, each gets 2 million. Sell 2, this one charges high, this one charges low. So this is player 1, player 2. This is player 1, player 2. আচ্ছা, এখন দেখা যাক how we calculate. If player B charges high price, then what does player A know? Player B is playing on column 1. He's not moving anywhere. So if I am player A, if I charge high price, I get 2 million. If I charge low price, I get 4 million. What will I do? ভাষাটা আমি আবার বলছি, given B is charging high price, what is my response as A? If I charge high price, I get 2 million. If I charge low price, I get 4 million. So what is my best response? I charge a low price now.
Yes, sir.
Gelo. If B now charges low price, this is a second situation to the heap. If B charges a low price, then what information do I have? B will always be on column 2. So what is my response? If I charge a high price, I get -1. If I charge a low price, I get 0. Which one is better, -1 or 0?
0.
So I charge a low price as a best response. আচ্ছা যাও, এখন তাহলে আমরা এখন এখানে যাই। If B chooses column 1, high price, if A chooses high, he gets 2 million. If A chooses low, he gets 4 million. Oh, sorry, এটা ভুল বলছি আমি, 4 million হবে। তাহলে charging a low price is better than charging a high price as a best response, given that B is charging high. এই জায়গাটা বুঝছো সবাই?
Yes, sir.
Given that B is charging high, that B is playing on column 1, for A, the best response is charging low is better than charging high. So A's best response is this one. এই যে আমরা underline করলাম। Now, if B chooses column 2, then high price response is -1, low price response is 0. What do? You choose 0, তাই না? Huh? Right? Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
So your best response is low again. আচ্ছা, এখন দেখা যাক, no matter what pricing the other person is doing, what is A doing? A সবসময় low price charge করছে না? Against high price, A's best response is low price. Against low price, A's best response is also low price. তাহলে ও যাই করুক আর নাই করুক, isn't A always charging a low price?
Yes, sir.
কেন করছে এটা? এটা কে ধরতে পারবে দেখি তো? Why is A doing this? এর চোখে কিন্তু একটা পে অফ আছে, সেটা হচ্ছে এটা। If I can succeed by charging a low price, I will get 4M. Isn't this the maximum individual payoff? Look at the payoff.
Or best
2 million,
response say ওটা আসবে।
হ্যাঁ, 2 million, 4 million, 0 and -1, তাই তো? So A will always look at this one. If I can be successful, I will get 4M. B is thinking the same. Let's look at the next one. If A charges high price, what does B do? B charges high price, B gets 2M. B charges low price, B gets 4M. তাহলে B best response কি? Low price করা না? If A charges high price? Sure?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, if A charges low price, then if B charges high price, -1. If B charges low price, 0. So what does B do? B low price charge করবে. The reverse is also happening. If A charges high price, best response low price. If A charges low price, best response low price. So whatever A is doing, isn't B always charging a low price? সেম জিনিস হচ্ছে না এখানে? Is it the same thing happening?
Yes, sir.
তাহলে where does the game end? A always charges low, B always charges low. Where do they intersect? এখানে intersect করছে না?
Yes, sir.
This is the equilibrium. I tell you why. This is the Nash equilibrium. Why is this the Nash equilibrium? এই পর্যন্ত বুঝছে তো সবাই?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
স্যার লাস্ট কথাটা আরেকবার একটু রিপিট করুন।
Very good. Tell me to repeat. What was the last thing that I said?
ইকুইলিব্রিয়াম স্যার
Sir,
0
0, 0.
0।
Acha, 0, 0. If A always plays low price, A will always play row 2. Are you clear? Look at the red 4M and look at the 0M red. A always plays low price. That means row 2. What is B doing? B is always playing column 2. 4M in purple, 0M in purple. So if this is what A is doing, row 2 only, if this is what B is doing, column 2 only, where do they intersect? এই জায়গাটাতে intersect করছে না? Cell 4. Ever
জি
clear?
স্যার।
This is the equilibrium. Okay, this is the Nash equilibrium. Come on. Now, আমরা বললাম এটা তো কমন সেন্স বলে আমাদের Nash equilibrium. The next question is, why are the next 3 cells not an equilibrium? If we can establish that, then we can establish why this is an equilibrium. Okay? আচ্ছা, best outcome is, আচ্ছা তার আগে আমি একটা বলি, what is the best outcome? Isn't it cell 1? In cell 1, what happens?
Definitely, sir.
Both of them are earning a profit of 4 million.
Both of them are making profit.
কিন্তু এই আউটকামটা কেন আউটকাম হবে না? If this is the place where game ends, suppose I am player A, what do I know? B is always going to play high price, right? If the game ends here and I am player A, then I know that B will always play high price, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
If I can cheat and get away by cheating, then আমি আমার চোখটা কি 4 মিলিয়নের দিকে পড়বে না?
Yes, sir.
So it cannot be a stable equilibrium. I will have an incentive to change. Similarly, if we lock the game into cell 1 and we now look in the eyes of B, B knows that A will always play row 1. If that is the case, B চোখটা কি 4 মিলিয়নের দিকে চলে যাবে না?
Yes, sir.
তাহলে কি এটা একটা স্টেবল ইকুইলিব্রিয়াম হবে? 2 মিলিয়ন 2 মিলিয়ন?
No, sir. আসলে
Okay.
ফেয়ার কম্পিটিশন থেকে বেশিরভাগ দেখা যাচ্ছে কে কতটা প্রফিট করতে পারছে সেইটার দিকে টার্গেটটা বেশি থাকে।
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই। আচ্ছা, এখন গেমটা যদি আমরা এখানে আটকায় দেই, given what A is doing, B is doing his best, right? দেখো তো, A is playing row 1, B is playing column 2. Isn't that the best for B?
Yes, sir.
তাহলে কি B কি চেঞ্জ হতে, will B have an incentive to change?
No, sir.
But the reverse is not true. Given what B is doing, what is B doing here? B is doing column 2. Is A doing the best A can?
No, sir.
আবার বলি, given what B is doing, what is B doing here? B
The
is playing,
best.
no, B is playing column 2, low price. What is the response of A? A is charging high price. Is A doing the best he can given what B is doing? B is
No,
playing, তাইলে এই যে no, who said no?
Sir, Tahmid.
তাহমিদ, আচ্ছা তাহমিদ, তুমি বলছো যে নো বলছো, তার মানে কি, given that B is playing B2, A is not doing the best he can, তাহলে what will A want to do? এই জায়গাতে বের হতে চাবে না,
Yes, sir.
তার মানে this cannot be a stable response. এইখানে দেখো, কারো বেস্ট রেসপন্স আছে কোন একটা সেলে?
No.
So both of them will want to move. এখানে একজনের বেস্ট রেসপন্স আছে, তাই না?
Yes, sir.
So the person who's having a best response doesn't have an incentive to move, but this person is not showing a best response, so this person will want to move. এখানে কি হচ্ছে, who will want to move in cell number 3?
B will want to move.
So doesn't matter how many people want to move. If one person wants to move, given what the other person is doing, that cannot be an equilibrium. এখন দেখা যাক, if we lock the game here and we are A, what do I know? B is playing B2. এখন আমি কি row 1 এ যাব? B
No,
is
sir.
charging a low price. Will I charge a high price?
No.
So I don't want to move given what B is doing. B is thinking the same. If A is playing low price, and I am also playing low price, I get 0M. Acha thik ase, can I move? Okay, I can definitely move. If I move, then I will get -1. Tale will B move given what A is doing? Will B move given what A is doing?
B will move.
No, sir.
No, acha ke bolche B will move? What's your name?
জেরিন স্যার,
আচ্ছা,
move
জেরিন।
তো করার কথা, কারণ এখানে -1 এ আছে তো।
No, no,
ও
no,
তো
no, no,
বেস্ট
no.
পজিশন
আমরা এখানে আছি,
বিটা।
আমরা এই জায়গায় আছি, এই
ও
cell
আচ্ছা
number
আচ্ছা, না
4.
না, এখানে তাহলে মুভ করবে না, সরি স্যার, তাহলে আমার ভুল হয়েছে, এখানে তো
Okay,
মুভ
okay.
করবে না।
না এবার ক্লিয়ার তাহলে, ইউ আর ক্লিয়ার নাও?
ইয়েস স্যার, বুঝছি,
lovely.
এখান থেকে মুভ করবে না।
আচ্ছা, লাভলি। তাহলে দেখো, এইখানে যদি আমরা থাকি 2M 2M, neither of the two is showing a best response. Both of them will want to move, so it cannot be equilibrium. If we say stay on this cell or this cell, one of the two wants to move who is not showing a best response. So cell number 2 and cell number 3 is not a equilibrium. এইখানে যদি আমরা আটকাই, if red wants to move, red will get -1M. So getting 0 is better than making a loss. What will B think? If I move, then I will get -1. So B will also not want to move. So this must be the equilibrium. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Okay, lovely. তাইলে এখন কথা হচ্ছে, is this a good equilibrium?
No, sir.
Acha, why who said no, and why do you think why this is not a good equilibrium?
Sir, ultimately সেলাররা লস করছে।
হ্যাঁ, so if they could have cooperated, যে আমরা দুজনে হাই প্রাইস চার্জ করব, তাহলে both of them would have been able to be here, right? হ্যাঁ,
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, এখন এটা কেন সম্ভব হবে না, আমি উত্তর দেই। If we play a game very few times, then neither of us have an incentive to cooperate. Let me give you an example. How many of you have gone to Bangkok?
Sir,
Is
I
there-
have.
Okay, well, Bangkok is a place that many people have visited. So you visited. Is there anybody else who has visited Bangkok?
Yes, sir.
Ar ke korche?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why have I chosen Bangkok as an example? Bangkok is a country where almost 30 to 35 of their GDP comes from tourism. Okay, almost the entire country survives totally on tourism. Now, in Bangkok, প্রচুর বাটপার আছে না, sellers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unless you go to a very credible shop, a street sellers কারা, তোমার এরা প্রত্যেকটা বাটপার না?
Almost all of them, sir.
Almost all of them. Why do you think they are বাটপার্স?
Why do I think? Pricing নিয়ে স্যার অনেক haggles হয়।
না না, কেন হয়? Think from an economic
There
point
is
of
a
view.
market for it.
No. That Batpar and you will meet each other only once in maybe 5 years. Suppose সে একটা জিনিস সেল করলো, you come to Bangladesh and find out that you've been cheated. Can you go back and catch him by the throat?
Definitely
No,
no.
sir.
No, sir, it's not possible.
বিকজ ওর সাথে তোমার আর জীবনেও দেখা হবে না। বাট ক্যান ইউ ক্যান পাড়ার মুদির দোকান কি এভাবে ঠকাতে পারবে তোমাকে?
No, sir.
কেন
No,
পারবে
sir,
না?
we can
বিকজ
confirm.
একটা টুটি চেপে ধরে বসবা তুমি, বিকজ তার সাথে রেগুলার একটা ইন্টারাকশন হবে। এখন রেগুলার ইন্টারাকশন হলে যেটা হয়, the scope for punishment or reward will come. Punishment and reward একটা ঘটনা ঘটার পরে পায় না মানুষ? Punishment or reward people get after an event happens. If we are playing the game only once, there is no way A can punish B if he doesn't charge high price. The reverse is also true. If we are playing the game only once, there is no way B can punish A. So what happens is, the Nash equilibrium that we are seeing is a bad equilibrium because the game is either played once, future does not exist, and there is no enforceable punishment or reward. Okay, এখন ধরো আমরা we make a decision that okay, before the game both of us decide that we are going to charge a high price, but I know the game will played only once. So what happens? If I cheat, you can't punish me. So আমার চোখ সাথে সাথে 4 মিলিয়নের দিকে চলে যাবে। Won't my eyes go to the 4 million automatically?
Definitely,
Yes, sir.
Because I know if I can cheat, I won't. He can't punish me. But if both of us cheat, তাহলে যেটা হবে, consumers will be happy, but we both end up charging a low price, and we both lose out. So what happens is, the prisoner's dilemma is a dilemma where cooperation is desirable, but because we play the game once, or there is no punishment or reward, there is no incentive for people to cooperate. Okay, আচ্ছা এখন আমরা এটা দেখি। Look at the individual ranking of the payoffs. What is the best individual ranking payoff? 4M na?
Yes, sir.
What is the worst individual payoff? 1M.
-4.
Okay, the two cells are the second best or the second worst. This is the second best individual payoff. This is the second worst individual payoff. This is another way of looking at prisoner's dilemma, which books normally don't show. If we rank the outcomes, then the cooperative solution was the second best individual outcome. Okay, and the prisoner's dilemma is the second worst outcome. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, sorry, আমি একটু পরে আসতেছি, দাঁড়াও।
স্যার
ক্যারি অন।
স্যার এখানে চিটিং এর সময় আপনি লো প্রাইস ধরেছেন দুইটা, বাট এটা তো হাই প্রাইসেও হইতে পারে।
Very good. Let's go back to that then. Good observation, good question. আচ্ছা, এখন what you said, high price এ চিটিং করবে? কেন করবে?
স্যার কারণ আমি তো একবারই সেল করছি, হাই প্রাইসে সেল করি আর লো প্রাইসে সেল করছি, কারণ আমরা দুজনেই তো হাই প্রাইস ডিমান্ড করছি।
আচ্ছা,
কিনতে হলে তো আমাদের থেকে কিনতে হবে।
No. If the consumer sees that your product and my product are identical, if I'm selling at a lower price, consumers will buy from me and they won't buy from you. Does that make sense?
জি স্যার, এটা ঠিক আছে, বাট আমরা দুইজনই যদি হাই প্রাইস
না, দুইজনই হাই প্রাইস করলে we have to come to an agreement that both of us will charge high price. Only then can we both benefit. If the cooperation, that agreement can be enforced. ঠিক আছে, আমরা যদি both of us মানে হ্যান্ডশেক করলাম and we stick to our gentleman's handshake, then definitely both of us will benefit. Got it?
জি স্যার
So high price, this can be an outcome only
হাই
if
প্রাইসটা স্যার স্টেবল না এটাই
stable na, why?
কারণ স্যার
If
ইনসেনটিভ
we
আছে
if we play the game only for once, there is no incentive for us to cooperate. ওই যে ব্যাংককে গেলাম, যে লোকটা আমাকে street seller, he has no incentive to sell a good product to me because he knows that আমাকে ঠকালে আমার সাথে তার হয়তো আর জীবনেও দেখা হবে না। Got it? কিন্তু পাড়ার মুদির দোকান আজকে যদি আমাকে কন্টিনিউয়াস একদিন ঠকায়, ইটস ওকে, আমি হয়তো কিছু বলবো না, কিন্তু কন্টিনিউয়াসলি ঠকায় পার পাবে আমার কাছ থেকে?
নো স্যার
Continuous, এটা পারবে না, because when people interact many times, people create something called a reputation. In the business school, you define this word as brand reputation, brand image, তাই না? ব্র্যান্ড কি একদিনে তৈরি হয়?
নো স্যার
অ্যাপল তো তার ব্র্যান্ড ইমেজ একদিনে তৈরি করতে পারে নাই, তাই না? It took time. Samsung, at the same time, Samsung also didn't create its brand image overnight. It took time না?
It needs reliability and trust.
Yeah, so reliability and trust is not a one-shot game. Reliability and trust is always
Definitely.
done over
It
time.
takes time.
এটাই আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে ভালো মতো দেখব। এখন যেটা হচ্ছে যে cooperation is desirable, but because we play the game on a very short time framework, or punishments and rewards cannot be enforced, that's why both of us look at our personal interest and not group interest. ঠিক আছে? And এটা তো র্যাঙ্কিংটা। আচ্ছা, এখন আমি যেটা করব, মনোপলিস্টিক কম্পিটিশনের উপর বেস করে আমি একটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিব। Okay, you'll get it tomorrow morning. In 1 page you answer and you submit before Tuesday. Okay,
Before Tuesday means কি Monday, sir?
sorry.
মানে before Tuesday হলে তো এটা সেটা Monday হয়ে যায় নাকি on Tuesday দিব?
Oh my god. আচ্ছা, এত 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 খুদ ধরলে তো মুশকিল, এটা কে বলছে?
না স্যার, খুদ ধরতেছি না, we just got confused sir, timeline assignment
Okay, Monday,
খুদ ধরি নাই স্যার।
Monday 11:59. Okay,
কেন স্যার
Okay, sir,
টিউসডে
thank you, sir.
সকাল 11টার মধ্যে?
আচ্ছা, মানে you I'll give it tomorrow morning, which will be Sunday. You submit Monday night, but you don't answer more than one. আচ্ছা, এটা বলার উদ্দেশ্যটা কি ছিল? সেটা হচ্ছে I want to take as many assignments as possible because there is no guarantee whether you're going to have your midterm, and nobody knows how the final is going to be held. Okay, তাই না? I think we discussed this before in the last class, তাই না?
জি স্যার
Yes, sir.
So my strategy is, if we have a lot of assignments or assessments, sorry, দরকার আমরা একটা বাদ দিতে পারবো, কোনো সমস্যা নেই, but if we have some marks in the bag, then what happens, nobody knows, even your program doesn't know how they're going to take the midterm final. আদৌ midterm হবে কিনা, nobody knows. So আমাদের হাতে মানে let's have something in the bag which we can exploit later on. ঠিক আছে? Does anybody have any questions?
Sir, আমাদের previous assignment
Previous session কালকে দিয়ে দিব, আমি কালকে দিয়ে দিব। আমি এটা আজকে I haven't been feeling well the last 2 days. I've been feeling very weak. এটা হয়ে গেছে, আমি জাস্ট দিয়ে দিব কালকে, ঠিক আছে?
Thank you, sir.
আচ্ছা, any other questions from anybody?
স্যার ডেডলাইনটা টিউসডে ক্লাসের আগে দিবেন স্যার।
হ্যাঁ,
ওই ক্লাসের আগে দিলেই তো হইছে।
আচ্ছা, ক্লাসের আগে দিলেই হয়েছে। এটা কে বলছে?
স্যার তামিদ স্যার।
তামিদ, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
আমিও এগ্রি করি এটা।
Who disagrees with Tamid and what's her name?
ইয়াঙ্কি।
Priyanki. Does anybody disagree with Tamid and Priyanki? I'm damn sure
I
no.
don't think so.
No, sir.
Because এখানে everybody স্বার্থ এক হয়ে গেছে তো, so everybody has an incentive to cooperate, right?
জি স্যার।
Solution has
Equilibrium
Ah.
point.
Equilibrium point, correct. So okay, now I'll give you sufficient time and you answer only 1 page. If you want, you can answer just 2 paragraphs. It just I need some document so that I can mark. ঠিক আছে? So can I stop the class here?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Assignment details will be provided tomorrow morning.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওই ইয়েতেই লেখা থাকবে it'll just be one page you answer within one page okay okay তাহলে everybody stay safe this variant is very dangerous and মানে let's try to stay হ্যাঁ কেউ কিছু বললো
আপনিও সেফ থাকবেন স্যার।
না না আমরা তো চেষ্টা করছি এখন বাকিটা তো তোমার উপর আল্লাহ ভগবান যে মানে উপর আল্লাহর ইচ্ছা তাই না মানে we have to try our best and hope that the best is good enough okay তাহলে everybody bye bye
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Take care.
same to you guys